Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Boxycharm Boxy Luxe time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my March Boxy Luxe box from Boxycharm, and I got a lot of goodies in this box as usual, so let's get right into the unboxing. The theme for this month's Boxycharm Boxy Luxe box is Lucky, and I did get this really cute info card with my Boxy Luxe box. So yeah, this is super cute. And the first item we're going to talk about in the box is from B Beauty London, and it is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. So this is a really cute packaging. It's got that simple type of sleeve package to it. And this is the actual shadow package. It's a cardboard type of package, very typical of eyeshadow palettes. But this is what the color story of this palette looks like. It's a really pretty palette, and I didn't demo this palette today as part of this video because I've got other eyeshadow palettes that have similar colors in it. So I don't want to dip into these shadows. I don't want to swatch them. I didn't want to create a look with them because I think that I may be putting this eyeshadow in a giveaway. But yeah, this is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. You do have some pops of color. You've got a nice teal color here. This is also a matte shade. You actually have, it looks to have maybe 4 or 5 matte shades and then some other shimmers. But let's see what the info card says about this palette. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blasts of color. Jet Mill pigments deliver intense, saturated, light reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long-lasting and non-creasing, silky and velvety finishes. So yeah, like I said, this palette does seem to have quite a bit of variation in terms of texture or types of shimmer shades that are in this palette. And the retail cost for the B Beauty London Barbarella eyeshadow palette is $50. And this next item is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And I like Glow Recipe. I love all the products that I have from Glow Recipe. I think I've got a couple of them. I've got a night mask, and then I also have their spray, the Watermelon Glow Spray, and I really like that. Oh, and this is simply adorable. This is what the actual package looks like. Isn't that cute? That is simply adorable. The info card states, this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. And the retail cost for the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum is $42. This next item is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the B-Flat Belly Firming Cream. And this cream is supposed to improve cellulite appearance and minimize the appearance of stretch marks. So very interesting product. This is very nice packaging. I really like this. It feels very luxurious. And on the side of the bottle it says mind your body. That is really cute. And the info card states, smooth away the look of stretch marks with a clinically proven belly cream. B-Flat helps create the appearance of a smoother, tighter, and firmer looking belly. The warming sensation means it's working its magic. So I take it that once you put this on, it does give you that warming sensation, so that will let you know that it's doing its job. So this is the first time that I've heard of this brand, but I like the fact of this being a belly firming cream. I think I could use a bit of that. And the retail cost for the Meili or Mali, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but I think it's Dominique Cosmetics B-Flat Belly Firming Cream is $49. This next item is from Tower 28, and this is the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. And the info card states that this is a daily treatment spray designed to soothe, purify, and renew stressed out skin. Featuring pure hypochlorous acid, a soothing and naturally antibacterial compound found in the body's immune system. SOS has the National Eczema Association seal of acceptance and is safe for all skin types. So I love a good facial spray. I think it's really interesting because, you know, there used to be a time when, you know, a lot of people didn't believe in facial facial sprays. And also the ingredients in facial sprays were quite simple. Either they contained a lot of alcohol or they contained some type of oil. But now, along with everything else, our facial sprays are getting a lot more complex, a lot more beneficial, having more beneficial type of ingredients in it. And this one actually has this antibacterial compound, which is found in the body's immune system. So this sounds really interesting. I can't wait to use this. And again, this is from Tower 28 and the retail cost is $28. This next item is from Soleil Hair Tools. This is their mini heat brush. And this is really cute. It comes in a nice little travel bag, nice little carrying bag, which makes it really nice. And this is in the color Apricot, so I like that. This is a really nice color. And looks to be a brush here. And you've got your normal type of AC plug-in adapter here. So yeah, looks really nice. And the info card states the Soleil Mini Heat Brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. So this is really nice. I think that this is something that I will be able to use. Yeah, I like this. And the retail cost, I know this don't say no $150. And the retail cost for the Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush is $150. This mini brush is $150. So I will be trying this out and I'll be certain to let you guys know how this works. This next item is from Ole Henriksen, and I like the brand Ole Henriksen quite a bit. I've got some other facial products from them in the past and really enjoyed them. This is the Fat Glow Facial Treatment, and it says this product instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Sap. So not sure what Nordic Birch Sap is, but let's see what the info card has to say about this product. This is what the actual product container looks like. And this top just pops off. This is a pump. And the info card states, get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs. The no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient of Ole's first one-step at-home facial. Like AHAs, PHAs deliver skin perfecting age-fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of the skin together and reveal a newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. So this looks to be an exfoliating type of product. So this is really interesting. I like a good AHA, PHA type of exfoliating product. I've used those types of products in the past and they do deliver results. So I'm really glad to have this item to add to my skincare products. So I will definitely use this. And the retail cost of the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial is $50. This next item is from Dominique Cosmetics, and it is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. This is in the shade Crush. This is what this lip liner looks like. And the info card states, define and fill in your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. Narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. The silky long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable, you'll forget you're wearing it. This is in the shade Crush. It does feel quite creamy and soft. I like that color. Very, very pretty. And the retail cost for the Dominique Cosmetics Cream Fill and Define Lip Liner is $18. And the last item that came in my Boxyluxe box for the month of March is from Half Caked, and it is the Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. So very cute little box here. So this is the Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. And these are the 3 shades of the lip fondant that came in the Game Changer Trio pack. So you know what? Let's try these on. This first shade is called Theme Song. So this looks to be almost like a mauve type color. So let's see. This color is pretty, but I'm not a big fan of the applicator of this lip fondant. This is what the applicator looks like. And it's just a typical type of doe foot, I guess, type of applicator, but it doesn't have a lot of cushion to it. I'm just not real fond of the applicator, but the color is pretty. And this is drying down matte, but pretty. What do you think? The info card states that these lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather light texture and dry completely matte. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. So yeah, I can see that. The first shade that I just tried on is called Theme Song. Like the color, not real crazy about the applicator. It did dry down matte. However, I do think I'm going to add a little bit of moisture to my lips for this next color. This color is called 82 Bordeaux. This is a very pretty red color. I've been feeling red lipsticks here lately, so I'm liking this one quite a bit. And this last and final shade is called Low Key. This is a nice color as well. Not quite as red as the other shades. So we've got Theme Song, we've got 82 Bordeaux, and then we've got Low Key. So yeah, nice colors to have. I will say that I will definitely have to hydrate my lips when I use these products, because they are matte liquid lipsticks, and you know that matte liquid lipsticks tend to dry down quite a bit on the lips. So I'll just have to be certain to hydrate my lips really well when I'm using these products. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.